In February of this year, Clark began delivery of the EWP-45. This versatile low-lift electric pallet truck has a capacity of 4,500 pounds and comes standard with 48 by 27-inch forks, an hour meter, and a battery discharge indicator. The transistorized Curtis SEPX control provides infinitely variable travel speeds and reduces maintenance by eliminating forward and reverse contactors. It provides diagnostic aids for troubleshooting and is programmable to meet customer requirements. This truck also features double reduction helical and spur gears, operating in an oil bath, which result in smooth, quiet operation and low maintenance. Today, we are proud to announce the introduction of its companion truck, the EWP-30. This new model features the same Curtis control, which allows customization of top speed, creep speed, plugging, and auto regen braking to tailor this truck to specific customer applications and operator preferences. This highly maneuverable pallet truck has a capacity of 3,000 pounds and is designed to allow pinwheeling inside a trailer. It is ideal for applications such as convenience store delivery trucks, where customers must offload partial loads. And now, introducing the EWP-30 and the EWP-45.